Two-stroke fans rejoice. Yamaha has done it again with the 2026 YZ125, proving that this legendary motocross machine isn't going anywhere. If you thought the golden age of two-strokes was over, think again. Welcome to Next Gen Reviews, where we cover the machines that get your adrenaline pumping. Today, we're tearing into what makes this year's YZ125 a must-ride for dirt enthusiasts. Let's rip. Design. Yamaha keeps the YZ125 looking aggressive and race-ready. The 2026 model features updated graphics with sharper lines and a bold new colorway that screams speed before you even twist the throttle. The chassis maintains that iconic YZ stance, slim, lightweight, and purpose-built for motocross. The ergonomics have been slightly refined, offering better rider connection whether you're seated or standing through the rough stuff. Performance. That 125cc two-stroke engine is pure magic. The power band hits hard and rewards riders who know how to work the clutch and keep it screaming in the right RPM range. For 2026, Yamaha has fine-tuned the power valve system, delivering smoother power delivery without sacrificing that explosive top-end punch we all crave. The bike feels incredibly nimble, changing direction with just a thought, making it perfect for tight tracks and technical sections. Features and technology. The suspension gets notable upgrades this year. Both the KYB fork and shock have been revalved for improved performance across different terrain types. The braking system offers excellent feel and stopping power, crucial when you're pushing limits. Yamaha has also focused on durability with reinforced components in high-stress areas, meaning less maintenance and more ride time. Conclusion. The 2026 YZ125 proves that two-strokes aren't just alive, they're thriving. It's light, responsive, and an absolute blast to ride. Are you team two-stroke or four-stroke? Drop your opinion in the comments. If you enjoyed this review, give us a like, share it with your riding crew, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more dirt bike content. Now, get out there and ride.